Basic mathematics. Addition. 32 plus 15 is equal to 47. 27 plus 28 is equal to 55. 13 plus 19 is equal to 32. 108 plus 97 is equal to 205. 25 plus 37 is equal to 62. 86 plus 77 is equal to 163. 118 plus 82 is equal to 200. 78 plus 67 is equal to 145. 83 plus 85 is equal to 168. 122 plus 63 is equal to 185. 13 plus 108 is equal to 121. 27 plus 95 is equal to 122. 18 plus 104 is equal to 122. Subtraction. 107 minus 32 is equal to 75. 23 minus 8 is equal to 15. 32 minus 13 is equal to 19. 86 minus 27 is equal to 59. 67 minus 28 is equal to 39. 133 minus 60 is equal to 73. 200 minus 83 is equal to 117. 112 minus 86 is equal to 26. 218 minus 105 is equal to 113. 189 minus 43 is equal to 146. Multiplication. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. 12 into 6 is equal to 72. 11 into 4 is equal to 44. 13 into 5 is equal to 65. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. 16 into 8 is equal to 128. 12 into 13 is equal to 156. 6 into 14 is equal to 84. 9 into 16 is equal to 144. 10 into 17 is equal to 170. Division. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 128 divided by 8 is equal to 16. 144 divided by 8 is equal to 18. 210 divided by 7 is equal to 30. 65 divided by 5 is equal to 13. 434 divided by 14 is equal to 31. 213 divided by 3 is equal to 71.